In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Wayfair account with this easy tutorial. Whether you're planning to spruce up your living space with some new furniture or just browsing for ideas, accessing your account on Wayfair is the first step. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Grab your device and let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to Wayfair's official website. You can do this by typing wayfair.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This will lead you directly to Wayfair's homepage, a perfect starting point for accessing your account and indulging in some online shopping. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a sign in option, typically located at the top right corner of the page. It's often represented by a small icon or simply the words sign in. Go ahead and click on that. This link will take you to the login page where you can proceed to enter your account details. Now, it's time to input your credentials. On the login page, you'll see fields prompting you to enter your email address and password. Be sure to use the email and password associated with your Wayfair account. Double check your email for any typos and ensure your password is entered correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so watch out for capital letters or any special characters you might have included when setting up your account. In some cases, Wayfair may ask you to verify your identity for additional security. If prompted, a code will be sent to your email or phone number linked to your account. Enter this code in the designated space to proceed. This step ensures that your account remains secure and is accessible only to you. After entering your login credentials and the verification code if required, you're now ready to access your account. Look for the login button on the login page. Clicking this will complete the process, and you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your order history, check your cart, save favorite items, and much more. And there you have it, logging into your Wayfair account made easy. This simple yet secure method ensures that your Wayfair experience is both seamless and protected. Remember, keeping your login details secure and enabling additional verification helps in maintaining the safety of your account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now you can enjoy all the amazing home finds that Wayfair has to offer. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a wonderful time exploring and shopping on Wayfair.